Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have APECoin. We are going to see the exact price targets, where are we going and what you should be doing. Thank you for watching. I hope that you are having a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see APE. So what we have is we are struggling so much on the 20-day exponential moving average, this yellow line on the daily frame. And of course, what else do we have? We are struggling also on the 17 USDT. This is one of the most important resistance levels, which right now it is almost impossible to close above. If you remember back then, we were talking about closing above the 17.12 will get us to the 19, but this time it is a little bit different. We are finding rejection 1-2 times. We cannot close above the 20-day MA, and right now APECoin is on a very serious downtrend. It is very possible that we are going to go even lower. I suggest you to be very careful, because if we go lower, then depression will come, and if you want to buy right now, then only do it with a tight stop loss, or if you believe that it will go higher on the short term. Because on the midterm, I think it will make some lower lows and lower highs. We are going to see on the 4-hour frame as well some things. First of all, we have a very huge overbought on the stochastic side, and the price has not gone so much upwards. Instead, it finds rejection. This is a sign of weakness. In general, when we see that and we cannot go above the 20-day and the 50-day MA, it is a bad thing. And of course, we have also the commodity channel index in an overbought. While we have a downtrend and we have these two indicators in an overbought, it is very common that we are going to correct, especially when the price analysis reacts badly to this overbought situation. What I mean by price analysis, I mean these candlesticks right there. You can see that we do not go above. Instead, we are following the overbought situation and we are correcting. Right now for APECoin against Bitcoin, this is the same thing. I'm going to have some important support levels. Here we found rejection on the 0.30s. If you check that out, 0.30s 41,379. We are probably going to go down to the 0.30s 33,938. I've drawn my Fibonacci retracement from the bottom on 6 April up all the way to the top on 28. I made that because we wanted to find major support levels. And what I think about it is that we are going to go eventually down, having lower lows and lower highs in the near future. 0.30s 33,938 is a very huge support level, and it is very possible to find buying pressure from there. What I want to tell you actually is that it isn't worth for me hunting the plus 1, 2, 3% on APECoin. It is better to go on altcoins that have a potential in the short term to go even higher, except if you are looking to short it. Then if you are looking to short it out, then I think with a nice stop loss, it would be a best way to make that. Let's go back to APE against USDT. Right now, what do we have is, I show you the important resistance levels that we need to break. But what are the most important support levels? I do believe, and I clearly believe, that APECoin has two major support levels. The first one sits at around 12 USDT, 11.9 to 12 actually, while the second one sits on 10.6. You can see back then it was our support line and eventually the start of a major bull run. Right now though, we are in a lower downtrend and the investors have stepped out of APECoin. The holders of APECoin are decreasing, and therefore because the supply is standard, the demand gets lower. This will cause the price to go eventually even lower, and it will cause a crash mode. Maybe we are going further down with a huge crash quick actually, or not, but whatever the case, we are going to go further down into the next support levels. The fact that we are not going above the 20-day MA and we are struggling to get above is a very sign and a sign of weakness for the altcoin, the APECoin that we are talking about in this video. 11.9, 10.6, next support levels, 10.6 especially is a good level to reaccumulate, and maybe we have a nice and clean buying pressure. But until then, I can daily update if you want me to. You can write in the comment section, things might change, right? But I think that for now, this is it for APECoin. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.